welcoming to this video class for all 9th standard students. In previous video class inside we learn about the matters, information about the matters, and then afterwards we completed matters some activities, and then afterwards we learn about the characteristics of the matters. How many characteristics? Minimum 4 to 5 characteristics we learn. Then afterwards next bit is going on what is that. Today's or continue this chapter since what the bit is going on. Then you want to know the states of matter. The states of matter inside what the before the video class inside we complete information we will learn about the matters. So this big matter bits today we want to continue want learn it means we want to complete it. What is the we want to learn it states of matter. States of matters inside means matter which states inside available in atmosphere that we want to learn it. Generally our surrounding we want to see whatever the objects we is our surrounding available, so that object is classified in 3 categories. That purpose we told classification of matters. You know, next bit what is the classification of matters means our environment inside our surrounding whatever the matters is made, that matter is classified in 3 categories. One is a solids we called, one is liquids we called, and another is gases. These are 3 stages inside of matters is classified in atmosphere inside. Gas inside you know carbon dioxide is there, oxygen is there, hydrogen is there. This is gaseous stage inside will come. Then afterwards solid inside you know stones is there, iron is there, copper is there, silver is there, gold is there. This like materials water the solid inside will come. Liquid inside the petroleum is there, water is there, again some cooking oil is there. This type of materials is considered classified in the where the classification of matters inside. Basically matter is classified in the 3 categories. One is solid, one is liquid, another is gases. How is classified? Which base inside they classified? What the difference between solid and liquid into solids? How they are there? Which characters they are observed? Which points they are find out? Which is helping for the classification of the matters inside. Suppose gaseous stage is inside, what is going on? Liquid stage is inside, what is going on? And then solids inside, what is there? And which base they are made these matters in 3 categories inside. There is a solid, liquid, and gases. That we want to find out in this classification of the matters inside. Now we diagram one by one. We can go into solid inside what is going on, liquid inside what is going on, and gases inside is going on. Sir. Okay, students, we are going to know that is solid state means what and how is decided is solid side. Whatever the characteristics they are observed in solid inside. I will explain by the diagrams. You want to listen. There is a solid states inside. What is there and how is the solid state here? Make the definitions. Whatever our surrounding, which is object is there, that is which is how the fixed shape, size, and particular fixed value. Such objects we can consider it as a solid inside. Solids inside whatever the stones is there, iron is there, otherwise aluminum we can say, gold we can say, silver we can say, bricks we can say, box inside we can say, otherwise any bottles inside we say, otherwise bucket. This like variety of the examples is considered what there is a solids inside. Why the solid they are considered? Why the solid name is given for them? Because there inside what is the fixed shape and size. Fixed, I am saying you. Fixed shape and size and fixed value is there. Such objects we can call it. This is solids. Another solids important things. What is a solid? Always strong is there. Means you want to see iron strong is there, stone strong is there. Otherwise copper. Otherwise copper also we can say the strong. Otherwise any whatever the materials is made by the solid, that is very strong materials we can say it. Why they say the strong? Because of force of attraction very strongly is there that object inside, and molecules that object inside molecules is arranged in fixed closely packed structures inside what is the molecules are arranging. Suppose examples in box inside you observe you. This box inside whatever this round things you observe, this is what the molecules you want to see. How is attaching each other's? There is a very near closely is there. Not how the more space there inside. So that was this all characters observing upwards. These matters we can this matters inside. First states of matters we learn solid. The solid definition we made. The object which have the fixed shape and size and values, such objects we can call it is a solid. That was solid example told. Iron is the stones is there. Otherwise plastics is there. Iron copper is there. Silver is there. This like a lot of the examples we can observe in the solids inside. Now the next second group is going on to liquids. Okay, the second states we are going to take is the liquid states inside we are going. First we learn about the solid and the second we are going number 2, that is the liquid states we can say. Liquid states inside what is there that we want to identify. How is the solid definition is made and solid character things or characters they are observed upwards. The solid group is decided that like only same liquid group also is going to decide, and some characters is present in the solid but some characters is absent in the liquid inside. Whatever is there that we want to see the now this way. This is one beaker you observe. This beaker inside what is the water is there. And that water we can beaker inside what the shape of beaker is there, that like water will be addressed there. Suppose here one plate inside we added waters. There water plate how structure is there, that like water will take. Means what the characters is saying to us, which object not have particular shape but size is there and value is there, such objects we can say it liquid. Listen carefully. The object which do not have fixed shape but size and value is there, such objects we can call it is a liquid. Liquid inside all other what is there? Next, liquids in one object, one solid object. Suppose sugar is there, otherwise salt is there, otherwise any medicine tablets is there. We can add water in liquid inside. What will happen? They are dissolving and they are mixing. Means what they how the message is saying to that I will later will explain. Then approach first you want to listen the characteristics of the liquid. Liquid inside what is the fixed shape not is there but size and value is there. And another important thing is what a molecule structure. Why the solids liquids what is the not how the fixed shape and there inside whatever liquid materials inside is there, that is comparing to solid, there is force of attraction there inside less is there. How and why that you want to listen carefully. This is the molecule structures is there that a liquid object inside. One molecule inside another molecule inside what is there? Gap is the little bit gap is there. You want to see there inside also gap is there. Air inside also gap is there. Listen carefully. There inside gap is there. Means molecule structure whatever the liquids is there, one liquid materials inside another materials is mixing means there inside what a little bit space is there. That was liquid inside. Suppose water is there or milk is there, milk inside you want to add the water, then same again the same color will form, other same solution is formed. Suppose water inside add with sugar, add with color, add with alcohol. This like so many contents we add, they are adjusting where is going on there. Where the molecules inside what gap place is there, that place inside that molecules is going on to fix it. So liquid information and liquid definition this much only want to write it. The object which do not have the fixed shape but size and value is there, such and the molecule structures is a little bit space is there, such objects we can call it is a liquid. Examples of liquid you know, water is there, cooking oil is there, cold drinks is there, and then afterwards petroleum contents is there, and CNG and LPG there is also an example of the liquid contents. These all we can sing afterwards water. These all are characteristics of the liquids. Okay. The next here we are going to gaseous stage inside. Right, sir. Next is going on to our gaseous stage. That is gaseous stage, states inside. What the characteristics is there that we want to identify, and how the gaseous stage is same to us, and whatever the characters is there. What the difference between solid states and liquid states? What the difference between liquid states and gaseous states inside? How they are going on to different? You know, gases means what? Gaseous stage is what? Another name is what we call air. What we call the air. Air is mix. Air is name is even mix of gases. That is carbon dioxide is there, oxygen is there, otherwise hydrogen is there, otherwise this like methane gas is there. So many mixed gas contains we can call it is what is the gas air, and air some other two names we can call it is gases. Gases stage inside what the characteristics they are observed that we want to identify. So gases inside what the liquid inside and gases inside what the difference is there basically. Liquids inside what the object which do not have fixed shape but size and value is there that we call it as the liquid. But gases inside what the characteristics is there. The object which do not have the fixed shape, size and value, and molecule structures also have a little bit spaces. There are such objects we can call it as liquids. Liquid is inside what why we told it is not have the fixed shape and size and value, because here we cannot see. Here we cannot see. How is we are deciding there is a fixed which type of shape is there, which type of size is there, which types of their mass is there, otherwise that value is there, we can't identify. So that purpose we made the definition is like the object which do not have the fixed shape, size and value, such objects we can call it is a gaseous stage inside. And gaseous stage inside, how we want the gas, we cannot see, but we can feel it. Otherwise, we can think. Suppose we took the one balloon inside, we added air. Air inside what? There are gases inside. Number of the particles you observing you. There are one particle between another particles inside water. Lot of the space is there. And how the space is there, that we can say the molecular structures inside. You want to see think it is a molecule, one molecule to another molecules inside, a lot of the space is there. That purpose gases inside you want to see. Suppose example purpose you want to go inside your morning puja doing after what other things like things you are doing. After sometimes suppose you are seeing that things. Otherwise in vitals inside carbon monoxide is coming out that black color of the dust you are doing. And after sometimes we can't identify. Why? That such things are mixing with the gas inside, otherwise they are adjusting with the gaseous stages inside. How they are adjusting? Because there inside water lot of the space is there, and that space is those the molecules is there. So today we learn about the water matters, classification of the matters, and there are three types of classification of the matters. There is one is solids, liquids and gases. This like information we collected about this video class inside. Gases stages inside examples also I told you. That is cooking oil is there, water is there, petroleum is there, otherwise LPG is there. Such like materials we can say the examples of the liquid states inside. So next video class inside we want to go it the which topics we want to learn it. That is matter can change their status by applying the temperature. How is going on that we want to say see the next video section inside. Thank you. One and one.